Hi everyone! Today I will explain to you how to import your orders with Yakify with Excel or a CSV file. You can use this method to upload your orders outside Shopify or WooCommerce, or you can import the orders of the sales you did on other platforms, such as Amazon or eBay. You can also upload the orders for the samples of products you want to check out before you start selling them without passing through Shopify or WooCommerce. So let's see together step by step how can you upload your orders on Yakify. First, go on your Yakify dashboard. Click on Import Orders. From here you will be able to download your CSV template if you want to use a CSV file, or an Excel file if you want to use an Excel template. Download one of the two files. Open the file with Excel. Please remember, do not change the first row, the header, in the example file. The first row, the header, will be removed automatically by our software. Make sure you delete row 2 and row 3 with examples of how you should fill in the form. At this point, you can fill in the file with all your orders. Please note that every row in the file is one SKU variant, not one order. The system will automatically identify the same order, all the rows that have exactly the same order number and the same shipping details. The columns are divided by quantity, the number of pieces you want to buy for a specific variant. Notes, you can write here a note if you like, it's not required. Shipping name, your customer's full name. Shipping address, the customer's address without commas or points. Shipping city, the customer's address, city name. Shipping province, the customer's address, province name. Shipping zip code, the customer's address, zip code. Shipping country, the customer's country name. Shipping phone, shipping country code, the customer's country code in the short version. Shipping province code, the customer's province code in the short version. SKU, the SKU of the variant you want to buy. Order number, you can insert here the number you prefer. Normally we advise our customers to use a number that you can easily match with the numbers of your store. If you want to put a bundle order with more items inside, you have to make sure that the following fields are identical: the shipping name, the shipping address, the shipping city, the shipping province, the shipping zip code, the shipping country, the shipping phone, the shipping country code, the shipping province name, and most importantly, the order number. They all have to be the same. After filling in the file with all your orders, go back to Import Orders tab on your Yakify dashboard and drag in the filled in file in this area. At this point, a new window will appear with a recap of all your orders. Check that everything is correct and click on the Confirm Orders button. If there are any mistakes, click on the Cancel Orders button, fix your Excel file and import it again. Once everything is correct, press on Confirm Orders. At this point, you will be able to see your new orders in your Orders tab, where you will be able to proceed for the payment. Easy, right? If you like this video, make sure to comment, share and subscribe. See you next time.